Hello everyone, I am Naina Chabra with my Ielts tutor. Let's start with reading chapter 1. So in this chapter, I've tried to introduce reading module to you. So we know that reading module is the most daunting module in IELTS test. Whether you are preparing for IELTS academic or IELTS general training, it is very important to understand what is the format of reading test. For both academic and general training, there is different test format, and it is very crucial to know that test format so that we can approach our reading in a very effective manner. So let's talk about IELTS academic reading. The time duration for IELTS academic reading is 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, students have to solve 40 questions. So it is a time bound test. You need to understand that in 60 minutes solving 40 questions, it means you need to devote particular time slot to one question. You cannot spend more time on any of the question. The question types which you get in your test varies. We'll be talking about question types in the upcoming slides or in the upcoming videos. Let's discuss about the basic format of reading section. So in academic reading, there are 3 sections and each section will be having one passage. The passages are lengthier in nature. They are taken from journals, newspaper or research papers. So students have to read the paragraph, read the passage, and they have to find the answers to the questions. If I talk about IELTS general training reading. In general training reading, again, there are 3 sections. Student will get 60 minutes to solve 40 questions. Section 1 and section 2 might carry 2 to 3 paragraphs. However, in section 3, there will be single passage. In general training reading, section 1 is generally from day-to-day environment or taken from advertisement, and section 2 is from work-related environment taken from company handouts or rule books, and section 3 is again academic in nature. In reading module, whether you are academic or general training student, you need to understand that reading become progressively difficult. Section 1 is the easiest one, section 2 is moderate, and section 3 is the most difficult one. And so this is the reason I always suggest students to have an approach for the reading. How to approach each section, what mindset you should have while answering questions in each section, and how you have to attempt each question type. Now if I talk about IELTS reading, there a right approach is very much necessary. Beside the right approach, you need to have strategy to answer each question type. Of course, we will be discussing the question types in the upcoming slides. Then I'll be teaching you how to answer each question types with right and good strategy. And trust me, in reading module, it is very easy to score 9 bands. The more number of correct answers you have, the more bands you will be scoring. So see you in the next chapter. Thank you.